yeah, that is paper, Chris. Yes.
Can I take a little bit?
You can have as much as you need. Oh, gotcha. Oh, sick. I heard that. Okay. Quiet, please. So we're starting percents, which, like, how do you have a question? Oh, I haven't said anything. How can I help you, Gary? Oh, like, how to do it? Yeah, maybe. So percents, like, they can start off kind of basic, but even the basic ones, a lot of people, I say basic, it's like the first level, but like even these, I think a lot of people have trouble with. Even like people that are, maybe stats or AP calc. I think you guys do percents in like fifth or sixth grade, and then like never really again. So it's like kind of lose the understanding of it. Um, I'm gonna leave this formula up here. This is what I'm gonna use every single time. I'm gonna be kind of anal about it. And every single problem you do today, I want you to write that formula. So I want it in your head so that when I say like down the road, do the is over up thing, you know what it is, you've done it a bunch of times, it gets in your brain, gets in your hand, and you start to do it. So you're gonna write that equation 25 times. Right? So for the first one, but then once you write it, it kind of does it for you. So if I'm gonna do number one, you guys see the red on the black like that? Okay. So I go is over of equals percent over 100. Every single time. Every single time. Sit down, please. Thank you. So then you can just read through, and some of these will be like much longer story problems, but these are just starting kind of simpler. So 16 is your is. So 16 goes where the is was. There's always a 100 in that slot. 16 is my is. What do you think the of is? 35. So of 35, good, goes right there. And then what goes here is the percent. Well, the percent is what I'm looking for. So what do I put? X. And that's your sum. Every single one, you're going to fill in 3 out of those 4 blanks. We'll cross multiply, and then we'll sum. So now we just cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you do 1 cross equals the other cross. So some people like mess up the cross multiply and think it's a fraction somehow, but it's do 1 diagonal, then put an equal sign. So it's like 1 diagonal equals the other diagonal. And then so this is what I get. So what do I do to solve this? I'm at 35. And you just did a percent problem. It's not that bad. Like once you learn kind of a strategy for it, it helps a lot. So that's 45. I got 45.7. Yeah, 0.47. 45.7%. I would like you to round to 1 decimal place. So just like I did there. But if it was 45.76, what would you put? You put 45.8, right? So round it to near. Is that okay for number 1? They're all going to be set up like the same. So number 2, that's a percent problem. So right away, is over of equals percent over 100. So I know it's annoying. Sorry, not sorry. You're going to write it 25 times. And then we put them in. So that's the percent, right? 166%. So I put that in the percent slot. This slot's always 100. This guy's locked in. That's what percent means. Not 100. So it's always going to be 100 in that slot. What's your is? 35. And then it says of what? So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the of. So we put X. You guys see where I'm getting the numbers from? Questions? Where'd you get this from? Why'd you put this here? What do I do now? So let's multiply. I always do the one with the X first, put it on the left, because most people prefer the X on the left-hand side. So it's one cross equals the other cross. So that's 3,500. Wait, what? What was it, the answer? You just ahead of me. So divide by 166. What'd you say it was, Gary? I think that's the previous question. Hey, watch your mouth, please. This is where you say sorry for swearing, Mr. Davis. 21.08, that sound better? Oh yeah, I said round, didn't I? So 21 point what? Yeah, 21.1. Those okay? Give me one more. I don't care which one. I can do number 3, but I don't know if that's like. Just do 3? Okay. Yeah, but it's like easier to organize your sheet if I. Some of it you could just look at, right? Like, what's 50% of 50? Let's just say, what's half of 50? 25. Do you have to write the is over of? Hell yes. But I can go to a different one. Do we do number 4? I'll do 8. No, 18 looks like a beast. I don't know. It's not any different, but it looks scary, right? But you do the same thing. Is over of equals percent over 100. I'm on 18 here. So what's my is? This is the part where you tell me what the is. 32.4. I'm just making sure you know what it's supposed to be. So 32.4. What's the of? No. It's x. 270 is the percent. So then it's of what? Chris, what's the percent?
270.
And what goes here every single time? 100. So cross multiply. So 270x equals, that'd be like 3,240. And then divide by 270. If I get that yet? You have an answer? You guys gonna make me do it? I got 12. Straight up 12. No decimals. Does that make sense what I'm doing? How I'm doing it? So I'll put the answers up so you can check, but you have to show work. I should see this for every single one.